Here's a rare gem for the classic car enthusiast. The 1927 Chrysler 50, a two-door coupe in a stunning tan and black exterior, paired with a sleek black leather interior. This beauty runs like a dream, with a recent engine tune-up ensuring it's ready to cruise. The inline-4 engine and manual transmission bring the authentic vintage driving experience, while the car has been stored indoors for the past 25 years, preserving its excellent condition. With 0 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this Chrysler 50 is a true find. At $10,000, it's a rare opportunity to own a well-maintained piece of automotive history, perfect for those looking to restore or drive a true classic. Whether you're a collector or a restorer, this could be your chance to own a piece of the past. Don't miss out. Check out the link in the description for more photos and details. Here's a truly rare find, a 1927 Chrysler Series 50, a 3-window coupe that has been lovingly cared for in the same family for over 60 years. This Canadian-built beauty from Windsor, Ontario, stands out with its striking blue exterior and light blue velour interior. Fully restored, it boasts a running original engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The car has 0 miles since restoration and is in very good condition. The vinyl roof adds a classic touch, and the vehicle's restoration history speaks volumes about its care. With its history, exceptional condition, and nostalgic value, this is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. For only $12,500 Canadian, this 1927 Chrysler Series 50 is an incredible investment for any collector or enthusiast looking to restore a classic gem. See the link in the description for more details and photos. Step back in time with this beautifully preserved 1928 Ford Model A Sport Coupe, finished in classic green and black with a rich brown interior. Boasting a fully rebuilt original engine, carburetor, and generator, along with 5 new tires and sandblasted wire spoke wheels, this manual transmission gem rides with 0 miles on the odometer. The leather rumble seat and original interior remain in remarkable condition, while the radiator and gas tank have been meticulously cleaned. Though it needs a new ignition switch, this car represents a rare investment opportunity for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. Priced at $18,900, it's a compelling piece of automotive history that blends charm, craftsmanship, and potential value. Check the link in the description for more photos and full details. Step back in time with this beautifully restored 1928 Ford Model A, a true icon from the golden age of automobiles. Priced at just $11,900 in San Jose, California, this rare touring car is a piece of history. Featuring a 2.5-liter General Motors 153 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs smoothly and is ready for the road. The Model A was Ford's second market success, offering reliability and style that surpassed its predecessor, the Model T. The exterior boasts a stunning two-toned finish, and the black and red interior completes the vintage charm. Despite its age, it remains in great running condition with no visible odometer reading. Originally priced at $510 when it debuted, this restored beauty offers a chance to own a car that helped define Ford's legacy. Whether you're a collector or simply appreciate timeless design, this Model A is priced to sell quickly. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description for more information and detailed photos. Step back in time with this stunning 1928 Willys-Knight Model 56 Coupe, an extraordinary piece of automotive history resting in mint condition. Priced at $18,500, this vehicle is not just a car, it's a treasure. Fully restored to original specifications with a rare straight six-sleeve valve engine known for its near-silent operation. With only 149 miles on the odometer post-restoration and a rebuilt engine that's driven less than 1,000 miles, it showcases meticulous craftsmanship and rare features, including Watson stabilizer shocks and original Knight hood ornament. The two-tone green exterior is exquisite, while the plush tan interior promises comfort and elegance. This car was a museum piece, and at this price, it represents an incredible investment opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. For those looking to own a one-of-a-kind classic vehicle, don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more information and breathtaking photographs to appreciate its beauty. Here's a timeless classic, the 1929 Ford Coupe, now available for $15,000 in Bakersfield, California. This all-original Model A Ford comes with a sleek red and black exterior and a warm brown interior, offering a vintage charm that's hard to beat. Powered by a reliable inline-4 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, this beauty is ready to roll with rear-wheel drive. With 0 miles on the odometer and running gear in top condition, it promises to offer a driving experience that's both nostalgic and exciting. Plus, it even includes a rumble seat for added vintage flair. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or an investor looking for a gem to restore, this 1929 Ford Coupe is a worthy option. The price is reasonable given its all-steel body and the condition of its original components. It might just be the perfect piece to add to your collection. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Here's your chance to own a piece of American history with this 1929 Ford Model A four-door sedan. Priced at $18,000 and located in sunny Los Angeles, California. This car is a classic in every sense of the word. With its original 201 cubic inch flathead 4-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission, it offers a timeless experience for any vintage car enthusiast. Though the car is not currently running and has some wear from storage, it remains a solid foundation for restoration or mechanical work. The interior features brown mohair upholstery, a suede headliner, and elegant faux wood grain trim, adding a luxurious touch to this vintage gem. Finished in a stunning blue and gray color scheme with black fenders, the Model A also comes with chrome 2-light headlights, a klaxon horn, and a folding oak luggage rack. The car has been garage kept by a single family for years, offering a unique history and preserving its classic charm. While the vehicle must be transported via tow truck and is being sold as is, this Model A presents an exciting opportunity for a collector who wants to breathe new life into a genuine pre-war beauty. For those who appreciate the artistry of early automobiles, this is more than just a car. It's a canvas for restoration and a treasure to add to your collection. Check out the link in the description for more information and photos. Is this the right investment for you? Only you can decide, but with a little work, This could be a real showstopper. Step into the past with this 1929 Ford Model A pickup, an authentic piece of automotive history. Offered at $12,500 in Sacramento, California. This classic truck features a 4-cylinder inline engine, 3-speed manual transmission, and a solid, dependable running condition, with just 2,284 miles on the odometer. It's been owned for over 45 years and carefully maintained, with recent mechanical refurbishments, including a rebuilt engine, transmission, and hydraulic brake upgrades. The exterior wears a charming green and black paint scheme, showing signs of age with some chips and rust, but it still stands strong, making it a fantastic candidate for a complete restoration. The interior, with its original black vinyl bench seat, adds a touch of authenticity and character. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking a reliable vehicle for car shows or a restoration project, this Model A strikes a perfect balance between driver-ready and project potential. At this price, it's a valuable investment for any classic car collector or restoration aficionado. Visit the link in the description for more details and photos. Step back in time with this stunning 1929 Pontiac 2-driver coupe, a true classic that combines history and nostalgia. Priced at just $7,000 or best offer, this beautiful brown beauty has been lovingly maintained by the same owner for the past 65 years. With its original drivetrain, this rear-wheel drive coupe features a solid running engine and a manual transmission, perfect for those who appreciate old-school driving. The odometer shows just 95,000 miles, and besides a few specks of surface rust on the hood, its exterior condition is very good. Imagine rolling down the streets, surrounded by friends, in a car that's been kept undercover all its life. It does need some attention to the interior and a new radiator, but with all original parts and an Oakland Pontiac service manual included, you have everything you need to make it yours. The extra set of rods and rings, along with new tires, make this offer even more enticing. This classic is waiting for a new owner to bring it back to life. Is it the right time for you to own a piece of automotive history? For more details and stunning pictures, don't forget to check the link in the description. This could be the perfect restoration project you've been dreaming of. Step back in time with this beautiful 1930 Ford Model A Deluxe Tudor sedan, a true classic. Priced at $16,500, this vintage beauty comes in striking red-black with a clean gray mohair interior. The 200.5 CID 40 HP 4-cylinder engine runs smoothly, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that ensures a delightful driving experience. With just 10,046 miles on the odometer and always stored in a garage, this car is in fantastic condition. Featuring an electric starter, 12V alternator, mechanical drum brakes, and that iconic Auga horn, it's a delightful piece of history. Whether you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast, this Model A is a timeless investment. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and pictures. Would you add this one to your collection?